YouTube? The Swift one back again. Here today to show you how to melt down petroleum jelly or candle wax and use these little cotton discs right here to make fire starters. So what you're going to want to do is I'm going to start by heating up your stove here a little bit. And you're going to take a little scoop like so. I'm only going to do a few for you guys because I've already got a bunch that I already made. Just get that in there and let that melt. I'm going to fast forward this part because this takes a second. I don't have a gas stove, I got an electric stove. Alright, now that all the petroleum is melted, grab you a pad and grab you a pair of needle nose, tweezers, whatever you got laying around that you can use. Because trust me, this stuff gets really, really, really hot. And you're just going to soak it in there, pull it out. That's all you got to do. Lay it on some wax paper. Oh yeah, you'll need some wax paper too to lay these on, a cooling rack, something. Just put it in there, other side, pull it out. Got a little bit left in there, we'll do a couple more if we can. And I can at least do this one. Put it in there, and it's going to bubble a little bit with the petroleum when you put it in there. Pull it out, look like that. I personally myself don't have a liking to either or. I know they both work. I know the wax tends to be a little more water resistant, water retardant than the petroleum. The petroleum will keep it dry for the most part, but it seems like the water can get through the parts where the petroleum's not protecting anything. And you really don't get that with the wax. Yeah, this one's not even going to soak up the last of the petroleum, guys. Get a little bit. Put that one off to the side here. Alright. Now, take your simple candles. I like to leave the wicks in them. And I'll show you why when we're done. But go ahead and turn the stove back up. And this part will get fast forwarded too. Alright, once all your wax is melted, same thing. Take one of the pads. Excuse me. Needle nose tweezers, whatever you're using. Lay it down. Now I've got the ones that I made earlier, and that's what I'm going to use to show you guys how these things burn. Yeah, this is a real long and boring process. I mean, you can buy the fire starters, but I mean, what are you going to spend on those, you know? I think in all of this total, in all of this, sorry you guys, I got to open my back door, it's a little smoky in here. I think all in all in total, I bought 6 candles, the petroleum jelly, and 80 count cotton round, and I've got probably right around $5 in all this. Now you can spend $5 and get 80, or you can spend $3 to $5 and get whatever. I don't know what they sell in a pack because I don't really care, because I don't buy it, I make it. Probably gonna get one more here. Grab my wicks out. Probably gonna be our last one. Might be able to get one more actually. We'll see. Oh, that's my phone. I don't know who it is. Grab this pan over here that I use. Alright, and we are back. Okay. This is just a strictly candle wax. So what you do is, I like to crack it open like that. Generally got a knife on me. This video is kind of last minute. What you're going to do is you're going to rough all that up right there. Rough it up right there. Go like that. Get them fibers up. And then just take, you know, you can take your rod or whatever. Like I said, I'm just using a simple lighter. That's the candle wax. Here's the petroleum. Oh. And those, both of those, they will burn forever. You know, throw your sticks and stuff on there, and you really get it going. Plus, like I said, I prefer the wax myself, because that's For one, I don't know if you guys, well, yeah, you can see it, kind of, sort of. You can see that the petroleum's burning black. So we're going to put that out. Ah! It took a lot to put that out, even underwater. But if you notice the candle wax, it puts no smoke whatsoever off. So that's really the way, I think that's how I like my fire starters, you know. I don't want a bunch of black smoke going into my wood that I could potentially be cooking on later for myself and the rest of my family. So yeah, I really do like the candle wax way more though. That's the only way to go as far as I'm concerned. I just wanted to give you guys options. That's why I showed you both ways. But yeah, that's doing really good. Next thing I'm going to be doing is showing you guys you can actually make char cloth out of them little cotton round discs. And I'm going to show you guys how to make char cloth too. Simple and easy in the house. And I'll show you guys a smokeless technique so you won't drive everybody out of your house. Stick around for that one. And like I said, I think I said it in my last video, I'm not sure, can't remember. Gonna be doing a drone review here too, because I think I got a good enough drone to get some aerial shots for when we're out in the woods and doing stuff like that. But yeah, so just stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell, all that good YouTube yeehaw cliche stuff. But anyway, this is a swift one. That's my video. I'm done for today. I'm gonna go spend some time with my family. Y'all stay humble. Have a blessed day. And if you can make somebody's day a better day, make sure to do so. Alright, y'all. See ya.